Hi everyone. I have some exciting news to share with you. What's the exciting news? Of course, photographers. And what's the other news? Traveling workshops. Phenomenal idea, isn't it? The next exciting news is retreat trips while traveling. Fourth news is life and health insurance. Right now, let's talk about these three things are main topics. Photography. As you know, I'm a photographer, specialize in nature and wildlife. Some of y'all had asked and is curious on learning on how to become a better photographer, but have no clue of how to start build the skills. This is where I come in, providing a workshop on how to become a successful photographer. Let's get together and talk more details with the locations and when. Create a group with friends, couples. It could be with your partners, families, or anyone. Private workshops. Tagging along on my trips. With workshop, you're required to bring your own camera set. It doesn't have to be fancy. You can bring cheaper camera, or even older cameras, or used camera. More importantly is practicing skills and develop to become a better photographer, especially on traveling journey. The freedom on choosing a location, decide where to meet, flying, road trips, and etc. Get together and learning and become an expert. Understand the fundamentals of using a camera. A lot of fun things into this workshops. I'm excited to do this. Second thing is retreats. This is something new, different, and unique in my services. What is retreat about? What's the purpose of a retreat? Retreat of emotional, mentally wellness. Focus on soul healing. Healing your soul. To work on healing from her trauma, domestic violence. Healing from broken marriage, divorce, breakups. Heal from family dynamics, childhood abuses, different form of abuses. Various reasons of things that you might need support to heal. Inner work. But keep in mind, don't stop seeing your therapists or psychiatrist. Disclaimer info. I'm not certified to give medical advice. The purpose of retreat is on a personal development, soul healing, and to find inner peace, learning new experiences while traveling. At the same time, while you're soul searching, I'm providing the support on personal level. Develop coping mechanisms. I don't want you to stop your services. Therapist or psychiatrist, if you already have one. Seeing them as crucial tools to your healing process. Retreat is a personal development, creating safe experience. The key is to be safe while connecting, and to have safe space for our souls. I speak with my own personal experiences. With strong background of coping mechanisms and personal healings, I want to help you feel safe and find your inner peace. While soul searching as you travel, you will develop grounding skills, breath work. This retreat is an invitation on traveling. Once we come to terms on finding a location, details on what you need and wants, send me a message to talk more about retreats. The year 2026 is exciting news. I cannot wait for this to happen. Building connections to step deeply into our souls, to be awakened and renewed. Develop your skills in photography and confident in traveling. To travel without photography, which is totally fine. Building connections and have soulful travel experiences. One more thing before I forget. For the curious ones, what about life and health insurance? There are several options, and also have final expenses. What is final expenses? Burial and funeral expenses. Final expenses is an option to cover those things. Life insurance as well. For more information, send me a message. Have a lovely day. Love ya.